Hey everyone, today I'm doing an unboxing of this driveway alarm. So basically it is an alarm that you can set up in your driveway, and then there's a plug-in for in your house, and it's motion censored. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the unboxing here, see what comes with. So we've got some instructions here, user manual. Looks like we've got a sensor of some sort. Definitely going to take some assembly because there's a lot of pieces here. Okay, this is going to be the piece that goes inside your house. Some more pieces. And we've got another sensor here. Okay, so it looks like these two are the ones that are going to go outside of your home, set up wherever you want the motion sensor to be. And then this piece is going to be the one that goes inside the house, so you plug into the wall, and a lot of different screws here. I would assume that that is for these so that you can mount them. So definitely some assembly required, but we're gonna get this set up and see how everything works. So this is what comes with the package, and obviously you see some assembly is required. So we're gonna get these set up and see how they work. Also, it does not come with batteries, so you will need to get batteries for this that you'll have to get separately.